A very happy morning, friends. In today's video, we'll be learning about declarative sentence in depth, how a declarative sentence would be, how we can identify it, and examples for it would be given. Okay. So we have seen in previous video what are all the different types of sentences and how it is being categorized by function, by structure. Yes. So in today's video, we'll be seeing in depth about declarative sentence which is being categorized, that is sentence being categorized by function and one of its kind. Okay. Declarative sentences, it makes a statement, declare a fact, offer an opinion or provide an explanation, and are the most common type of sentence in English. Declarative sentence ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸನ್ ರೈಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಆಫರ್ ಆನ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳೋ ತರ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಳಸೋ ರೀತಿನೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ declarative type of sentence in English. So they typically end with a period and can be a positive or negative and have a subject verb structure. ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, the subject, ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸವಾದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು verb, the action that is being performed, that is it can enunciate a state of a being or can be a linking verb, or the action which is being performed, that is to be a verb. About whom am I talking, what is being talked about, it is word as subject. So typically a declarative sentence, it ends with a period, that means it ends with a full stop. So what are all the characteristics that we look when we see it as a declarative sentence? Purpose: to convey information or to state a fact. Convey an information or a state fact. My sister made lunch. It is conveying information. Who prepared lunch? My sister prepared lunch. Or to state a fact, we say sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west, earth revolves, earth revolves around the sun. So these kind of sentences are a state. These kind of sentences, it states a fact. So it can either convey information or state a fact. Stating a fact, we can have more such examples like Barack Obama was the 44th president of United States. So the 44th president of United States was Barack Obama. So we are stating a fact. To express sentences in that pattern also, we call it as a declarative sentence. Expressing an opinion. You are expressing your opinion. Whatever you like, your likes, dislikes, whatever it is in your mind. Butterscotch is the best ice cream flavor. According to you, you feel butterscotch is the best ice cream flavor. So expressing an opinion, we use declarative sentence. Or we have simple positive statements also to be used in declarative form, declarative statement form. She sings. I play cricket. I went to Mumbai. Simple positive statements. Negative statements: I do not like coffee. She did not go to school today. So these are all negative statements. So it can either be positive or negative. To express an opinion, state a fact, and it definitely ends with a full stop. So all these are key characteristics of a declarative sentence. Now we'll see few sentences and wherein you're going to identify whether it is a declarative sentence or not. Choose the correct declarative sentence. The 9 gems were famous. The 9 gems were famous. This sentence is different, written in 4 different forms. One without full stop. The sentence pattern. You need to look into the very basic things such as the capital letter that has to be used in the beginning of the sentence. Where the 9 gems famous, where the 9 gems famous is 9, Nine, where the 9 gems famous. So, which of the following 4 sentences are in declarative form, correct form? The 3 sentences are to be the same, but which is in proper order and in correct position. It is to be starting with capital letter, ending with a full stop. This sentence we find it in that manner. Is Kabaddi an ancient game? Kabaddi is an ancient game. Kabaddi is an ancient game. Same thing, but different in written in 4 different forms. One in a question format, another with another in exclamatory form, another written in a normal manner but without a full stop. The last sentence, it is the correct declarative sentence. I'm dressed like a king. How are you? My name is Smitha. My name is Smitha. No, my name is Smitha. The 4th sentence. This is the correct answer. The 4th option is the right one. Choose the correct declarative sentence. The Parambir Chakra was designed by Savitri Bai. Parambir Chakra was designed by Savitri Bai, written in 3 different forms. See the third one? Correct. The answer that you chose was perfectly right. Who was famous textile weaver? Tiruvalluvar was a famous textile weaver. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. Tiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. It is exclamated. Second one. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Are you interested in reading storybooks? Go ahead. I like to read storybooks. Are you reading storybooks? Obviously, the third one. First sentence is interrogative, second one is exclamatory, third one is appropriately beginning with a capital letter and with a ending with a full stop. Active volcanoes erupt regularly. It is third one. One with a full stop, one without full stop, in exclamatory form. All these things we need to look into before we choose the correct one. Discipline is key to success. Discipline is the key to success. Declarative sentences do not end with an exclamatory mark or question mark. It ends with a full stop, begins with a capital letter. So in this video, we learned about declarative sentences, its meaning, characteristics, and examples wherein we had to choose the correct one. So with this, I shall end the video. We'll meet in next session with another interesting topic, another type of sentence. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vidya Shakti.